Hello guys and gals. So I find myself after the movie we just watched. I'm on 30 meters at 0% power playing with some FT8. As I said in the video a couple days ago, I've all of a sudden turned into an FT8 junkie because I like testing propagation. I like very weak signal modes, and this is what I'm really settling down in ham radio with weak signal and space communication, satellites, EME. But check this out. Just with 0% output is like, the driver of the radio before the PA stage. So it's like 100 milliwatts, half a watt maybe, going out about 40 feet of feed line, 50 feet of feed line up the tower, and then coming out of the antenna must be hardly tens of a 10 milliwatt signal, and I'm being received across the United States on the East Coast and in Europe here on the PSK reporter with that little bit of signal. Actually, if I go like this, see, it tells you over here, if you hover over it, it tells you over here on the bottom. So watch this one. I got that reported back a plus 4 dB from my house to Europe, and I'm using 0% output power. So this is what's fun for me, right? And now I'll go off camera. I'll go and do 5 watts, and then I'll do 20 watts, and I'll see the difference. I'm just letting this ride out for 12 minutes to see what stations capture me, and then I'll try something else. And in the process, when I start turning power up, someone will start responding back here, and then I could give them exchange with that and say I made a couple contacts for the night. So that's pretty much what I think is fun. So actually, check it out right here. I actually made a contact. I had to bump it up to 1% power because you could see here he responded, but then I was transmitting to him, yeah, you're +3, you're +3, nothing. And then I had to bump it up to 1%, and then we got it finished right here. So it was trying, but hey, that's what's exciting to me working England here. Golf 8 Kilo Hotel Fox, working him with the FT8 at 1% power, and so I'll now let me just see what happened here, right? Okay, so that right there was okay. You see now it just populated. Now I got one in South America. I got more over here with 1% power than I did with 0%, and a lot more. You can see here the difference in time between 15 minutes, 2 minutes. That's the difference between 0% and 1% power. And if anybody's going to come up with some shitty comment on factoring in dBs for the increase of the power, and that's correct, which I know it's correct. I know that's how it works. I know what happens with dB. What I'm saying is it's just fun to watch visually what's actually happening across the world with my little 1% RF power. That's all that is exciting to me. 7-3, good night.